How to make hair mask for hair growth and strength at home with beer, egg, and coconut oil. Mix 1/2 cup of beer, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and yolk of an egg. Next, apply the blend to your hair evenly. After that, cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. In the end, wash your hair with regular shampoo and conditioner. For best results, you have to use this hair mask once a week. Why use eggs for healthier hair? Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. And because hair is 80% protein, applying protein-rich eggs to hair can help replenish the protein lost through styling, making hair stronger and better able to stand up to heat. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.